The B-2 Spirit costs over $2 billion per aircraft and remains one of the most closely guarded aerospace projects in history. In this full-process documentary, we explore the massive facilities, advanced materials, precision engineering, and industrial systems used to build America's stealth bomber, Ghost.
The ultrasonic scanner provides real-time void detection, ensuring the integrity of these complex B-2 Spirit airframe panels.
Lift sequence initiated. Guidance, report status.
Clearance is green. Moving to inspection points.
Roger that. Starting laser scan calibration.
Bring the center section down another 5 millimeters. Easy now.
Copy that. Confirming final alignment on the starboard side.
Temperature curves look stable across the forward section.
Agreed. The synchronization is holding steady.
Panel is approaching alignment markers. Slow the descent slightly.
Copy that. Adjusting speed now. Temperature reading on hydraulic pump holding steady.
Yes, right where it should be for rollout.
All right, slow descent on the mainframe. Load distribution stable at 40%. Engaging sequence 1. Torque applied.
Bring it down 5 centimeters, watch the leading edge, keep it steady.
Looks aligned on this side. Ready for the locks.
Using laser guidance, the team ensures perfect surface continuity, critical for the aircraft's low observable profile.
Integration sequence 47 satisfactory. We are clear for finalization.
Confirmed. All systems nominal.
All stations, confirm green status and clear the area. Power up sequence initiating.
The phase margin looks good on channel 3.
Latency is holding steady across the array. All parameters are nominal. Monitor the power regulation systems during the cycle.
Reading stable on bus 2. Confirm pass.
Functional checks complete. All systems stable.
Just a few millimeters to the left.
Torque wrench engaged. Proceeding with final sequence.
Certification milestones met. We are at 100%.
Acknowledged. Handover complete.
All interfaces secured. Load distribution verified green. We are clear for movement. Approaching marker 42, clearance check.
Clear on the left, 2 inches overhead.
Confirmed, slow and steady.
Readings are stabilizing. Pad 4 is green.
Confirmed. All tolerances met.
Clear on the left, moving steady. Copy that, watching the tail clearance. Readings are nominal. Confirm stabilization achieved.
Acknowledged. We are green across the board.
Data confirms full range cycling complete. System.
All parameters are nominal. Test sequence 56 is complete.
Confirmed. The composite stress data looks excellent.
Steady as she goes, coming into bay door 5. Copy that, watching the starboard side.
Control, this is perimeter. All sensors reading stable. Copy that, perimeter. Activating continuous monitoring. System is online and nominal.
We need to confirm the preservation checklist for Section 63.
Right, I'm updating the long-term schedule now. The composites need careful monitoring.
Verification cycle is complete. All indicators show green. Confirmed on my end. Systems are ready for standby mode. Status confirmed. The asset is secure and preserved.
Roger. Roger. All environmental metrics are green. Humidity steady at 30%.
Confirmed. Sensor array checks out.
Airflow stable across the fuselage. Load cell 2 stabilized at 98.5.
Confirmed.
All green on the aft starboard array. This entry for Zone 4 appears inconsistent with the physical count.
Confirmed. The digital signature timestamp is off by 12 minutes.
The reactivation protocol is loaded. We'll start with the avionics suite inspection.
Copy that. Monitoring temperatures now. Sequence 82 Alpha, preservation bypass confirmed.
Acknowledged. We are clear for mechanical decoupling on Section 4.
Module 1 indicates inactive.
Confirmed. Readings normalized.
Ambient levels achieved across the access points.
All entries confirmed. Final authorization approved.